Children, welcome to IANCG Max. The question is given now. Determine all pairs of distinct real numbers x comma y such that x to the power of 100 minus y to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into x minus y. X to the power of 200 minus y to the power of 200 is equal to 2 power 199 bracket x minus y, and x is not equal to y. The question is from Indonesian Max Olympiad in the year 2017 now. So the question is asked from the Olympiad. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very, very important now because it is a new channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem? Otherwise you can continue the video. So here we are having two methods. So first model we are doing in first model. So here let we have to assume x is equal to 2a, y is equal to 2b. We have to assume that x equal to 2a and y is equal to 2b. Then the first equation will become 2a to the power of 100 minus 2b to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into 2a minus 2b. And the second equation will become 2a to the power of 200 minus 2b to the power of 200 is equal to 2 to the power of 199 bracket 2a minus 2b. So here if you write by using exponential formula, first one will become 2 to the power of 100 into a to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 100 into b to the power of 100. Here you will get 2 to the power of 100 into a minus b. So here 2 power 99 into 2 power 1 you will get 2 power 100. So if you take common 2 power 100 here, 2 power 100 common, what will get a to the power of 100 minus b to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 100 into a minus b. So 2 power 100 you can cancel. So a to the power of 100 minus b to the power of 100 is equal to a minus b. Let us take it as first equation. Now if you take the second one, so this can be written as 2 to the power of 200 into a to the power of 200 minus 2 to the power of 200 into b to the power of 200 is equal to 2 to the power of 200 a minus b. In the same process here also 2 power 199, 2 power 1 you'll get 2 to the power of 200. 2 to the power of 200 take common, a to the power of 200 minus b to the power of 200 is equal to 2 to the power of 200 into a minus b. So here what will get a to the power of 200 minus b to the power of 200 is equal to a minus b. So let it be second one. So here we got the two equations, both are having same RHS. So we can make the LHS equal a to the power of 200 minus b to the power of 200 is equal to a power 100 minus b power 100. Now here again you are applying exponential formula. So here you can write it as a power 100 whole square minus b to the power of 100 whole square is equal to a power 100 minus b to the power of 100. Now you can apply the formula a square b square, a power 100 plus b power 100 into a power 100 minus b power 100 is equal to a to the power of 100 minus b to the power of 100. Now you can take common, send all the terms to that side. A power 100 minus b power 100 is common. A to the power of 100 plus b to the power of 100 minus 1 is equal to 0. So you cannot cancel here. So remember, they will cancel these two. A to the power of 100 minus b to the power of 100 is equal to 0, or a to the power of 100 plus b to the power of 100 minus 1 equal to 0. Both the values will get 0. So here from this you will get a is equal to b. So here it is not possible to get a is equal to b. Not possible. So in the problem it is given a cannot be equal to b. Then we'll go to the second one. A to the power of 100 plus b to the power of 100 is equal to 1. So here if you take case 1, here if a is equal to 0, then b to the power of 100 is equal to 1, implies b is equal to 1. So you will get the solution. You will get the solution 0, comma 2. B value 2. So here b means y value 2b. So you will get y value 0, comma 2. So this is x, comma y. Now second case, if you take b is equal to 0, then a power 100 is equal to 1. That implies a is equal to 1. So you will get the solution of 2, comma 0. So these are the two solutions we are having in this. Okay, the same we can do in another way also. So that also I am doing here only. The same model, model 2 we are doing here, model 2. So x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100, we are writing the second equation, a plus b, a minus b. X power 100 minus y to the power of 100 is equal to 2 to the power of 199 into x minus y. The second equation you are writing as a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square formula you are using. So you are getting this one like this. So x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100, you know the value of x power 100 minus y power 100 is 2 power 99 into x minus y is equal to 2 to the power of 199 into x minus y. So here x minus y can cancel. X is not equal to y. X to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 199 divided by 2 power 99. So here what will get, x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 100. Now y to the power of 100 is equal to 2 power 100 minus x power 100. Y is equal to 2 power 100 minus x power 100 whole to the power of 1 by 100. Okay. Now put x equal to 0. So y value will get 2. So the order pair is 0, 2. Put y is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 0. The order pair is 2, 2, 0. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.